Before the sunset, I placed a small box on my windowsill, some water and my hugs. Piece of green is ready for you, shadows. Love doesn't hurt. Don't hesitate to come.
I have picked up a few tiny branches. Do not stare at any other windows. Fly to me, doves, for your new nests. Love doesn't hurt. Be sure it is the best.
Feel yourself at home. Break that rusty chain. Fly here before the brightest colors die in vain. Just wrap each other with your wide wings. Love doesn't hurt. Keep your love in golden rings.